Can adults learn French? It's a big question, and I've been having this question in my email box or in the comments so many times. So the question is learning a foreign language as an adult just as effective as learning language as a child? So we're talking about, is it possible? Is it as fast as if you were a child? So this is the main question. People want to know if it's possible and if it can go at the same pace. Regarding the pace, I mean, let's be clear about that. You've been noticing that even as a child, people learn in many different ways at different speeds. So it's difficult to say that it can be done at the same pace. So now we'll focus on the fact that is it possible or not. And the answer seems to be yes. But it's really interesting. It is extremely interesting because starting learning a language in adulthood is associated with a change in your brain structure. This is really, really interesting. What does it mean? So basically, it means that, I mean, there are some studies that show that after few months of intensive training in a foreign language, the volume of gray matter in your brain and in the areas dedicated to the language, the volume will increase. This is extremely, extremely interesting. So what does it mean? It means that clearly, yes, it's possible to do it. And because your gray matter will increase, and we'll see in another video that we've got two different areas where in your brain where you will, stock or put all the things that you will learn to after be able to communicate and to understand a foreign language. These two areas, they will increase, so they will get bigger and bigger. So clearly it means that yes, you are accumulating some things there. So the good news and the good answer is yes, it is definitely possible.